5 recipes that will skyrocket your yoga practice and energy level. The last one is the best one, tempting and super unique. My personal favorite. So make sure you watch this full video till the end. Namaste friends, welcome to Asana Yoga channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell icon so that you never miss out on any of our transformative content. Let's dive into these delicious sattvic recipes that will help you to enhance your spiritual growth. It will keep you energized, and these are super easy to make and super tasty to eat. And that's how food's supposed to be, right? It should be tasty but lighter on our body, easy to digest, so that we can focus more on our spiritual practice. Let's look at what we have. First up, we have energy boosting salad with some seeds and nuts and some greens. It's a Rajma sprout salad. So we have some Rajma and chickpeas. Rajma is full of fiber and chickpea is full of protein. We have some seeds and nuts. It has healthy fat, and we have some greens which will give us fiber, and it will also help us to absorb the nutrients. It's a healthy meal which you can have during breakfast or lunch, and it will keep you light and energized throughout the day.
To prepare the kidney beans and chickpeas, you need to soak it overnight, and after that pressure cook them for 4 to 5 whistles. Once everything is done, let's combine it all together and assemble the salad.
Lemon has C vitamin and it will help you to absorb all the nutrients. Now it's ready. What are we waiting for? Let's try it. You can start your day with this sprout salad, or you can also have it during the day at the lunch time. It is easy to digest and it will keep you energized throughout the day. I hope you all will also try it. So now let's move on to the next recipe. Next we have a nourishing beetroot curd salad with pan-grilled paneer or cottage cheese, or you can also use tofu for this. Ideal for dinner. It's light yet filling and packed with fiber and protein. What comes in our mind when we hear beetroot? It's raw, bland, tasteless. But trust me, after this recipe, you will change your mind. Let's see what we have. We have some beetroot, which is the hero of the recipe. We have butter, some paneer, oregano, we have yogurt, and there are some spices, which is again good for digestion. Let's get started.
First up, we have the beetroot. Let's peel the beetroot. Now give it a toss in the air. Was it necessary? No, but just for cinematic effect, which by the way took many attempts to pull off. Let's whisk the curd. It will make it smooth and give a nice texture to the curd. Now grate the beetroot into the curd bowl. Now mix it all together and your beetroot salad is done. Let's garnish it with some tadka. Add some ghee, which is one of the best fat source you can find in the market. It's quite optional. You can avoid it too. You can also just add some salt and pepper and you're good to go. But I'm adding some tadka in this. When it all starts browning, just add the stuff to your salad bowl. And it's done. Now let's prepare the paneer. So ideally, a pan-grilled paneer would go best with this. But since mine is already broken into pieces, I will just make a burji with this, which is crumbled paneer or tofu. Now add some butter in the pan. You can use ghee if you want. Let's add the paneer. Let's add some oregano. It's almost done. Let's move on to plating this now.
So first we will put some beetroot salad at one side. First time trying beetroot salad. Really good. It's a super combination. You must try. Wow. So it's super delicious and they have countless benefits. Paneer has casein protein, which is good for muscle recovery. Curd has good bacteria, and it has beetroot. Beetroot is good for blood purification. So overall, it's a superfood. You must try. Now let's move to the next one. People often ask me, do yoga practitioners eat boring foods? Not necessarily. As a yoga practitioner, when it comes to food, all you need to take care of is it has to be nutritious. Spinach wraps are a fantastic addition to your diet. They are quick and easy to prepare. The combination of spinach and paneer provides a healthy dose of vitamin, minerals and protein, ensuring you stay energized and satisfied. So now let's look at what we have. We have a lot of veggies here. There are bell peppers, tomatoes, onion and coriander. So veggies will help us to get more fiber. It will keep us light yet strong. We have spinach. Spinach is a good source of iron. And we are going to use paneer, which is for protein, garlic, salt, cumin seeds and chickpea flour, which we are going to use it for binding, and it is a good source of protein. So here I just want to mention that you can skip onion and garlic if you want to go complete sattvic, but even if you add it in your ingredient, that's fine. It is just for taste. So even if you avoid it, it won't make much difference.
Let's start the preparation by rinsing the spinach. You should rinse all the vegetables before use. Now let's chop the spinach and put it in grinder. Adding some chickpea flour, some salt to taste, some paneer or tofu and some water. Now let's grind it and make a thick batter.
So if you feel here you have put too much water and the consistency is thin, then you can put some chickpea flour. Now the consistency looks good. Now let's make spinach tortilla.
Heat a pan, add some olive oil for greasing. Add the batter and just spread it out.
So our tortilla is done. Now let's chop some veggies.
We have got 3 colors to make it look good, but you can have any of these, won't make a difference. Now in a second pan, which is preheated, let's add in all the vegetables and saute it.
Now veggies are done, tortilla is done. Let's assemble it and make a spinach wrap. So you can put as much veggies as you want, but just make sure that you are not feeling this wrap too much. And now we have to wrap this. First fold it from one side and then you can roll the wrap like this. And now it's ready to eat. Whoa. Wow. You guys must try this. It tastes as good as your regular wrap. Honestly, I can't tell you the difference. It's gluten-free. Must try. I hope you guys will try it. Now let's hop on to the next one. Next, we have a superfood khichdi. It's a nourishing blend of rice, lentils and vegetables. Perfect for balancing the doshas and aiding digestion. Khichdi is simple, delicious and incredibly good for your health. Now let's get into making khichdi. So here we have some spinach, coriander and carrot. These veggies will give us fiber in our recipe. So there are multiple ways to make khichdis and you can use all sorts of vegetables. I have used these, but you can use any vegetables you like. Next we have rinsed rice and lentil. Again, there are different types of lentil. You can use any type of lentil. I have used moong dal, which goes perfect with khichdi, but you can find your own choice. Next, few Indian spices, that is turmeric, cumin seeds and mustard seeds, and we have some ghee and little salt. Now without wasting any time, let's make khichdi.
To start with, let's peel some carrots since it's a vegetable khichdi. Peeling the carrot is always a good idea. It removes all the dirt from the upper layer.
So now veggies are cut and we have also rinsed the rice and lentil. Now let's put everything together and pressure cook it for 3 to 4 whistles.
Making khichdi is super easy. Add some water.
So here I am putting 4 to 5 glasses of water, but usually the level is double the amount of rice and lentil.
Some salt and some turmeric. And just cover the lid and pressure cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. And you are done. See? Super easy. Believe me, this is yum. Khichdi is truly a superfood.
Finally, as promised, now I'm sharing with you our final recipe. Rajma Tikki Chaat. Chaat is an Indian street food very popular across India. It's considered a fast food, but we have a sattvic twist. We have removed everything that makes chaat unhealthy and replaced it with healthy alternatives. This dish is tasty, nutritious, and perfect for those craving chaat without compromising on health. Let's make it. Let's see what we have got here. We have some greens, vegetables, curd, yogurt. We have rajma. Then we have sweet potato and some spices, that is cumin seeds, dried mango powder, coriander powder, chaat masala. So these are some Indian spices. You can also find your alternative from wherever you are watching this video from, or you can also use just salt. We are using this to enhance the taste. It's perfectly healthy. We are not using any sweeteners, which makes a chaat unhealthy. And we have also got some pomegranates. These are for garnishing. So enough talk, let's make it now. So here we have everything. First we are going to make tikkis for the chaat. For this we need chopped green chilies, coriander and garlic. So let's do it.
Let's now peel the ginger skin.
You know what? I recently found out peeling ginger with spoon is much easier and safer than peeling it with peeler. Did you know that? It's amazing.
Then we chop it into small pieces. Now let's chop some chilies, coriander.
Now everything is chopped. Let's peel the sweet potatoes.
I have pressure cooked it for 3 to 4 whistles to make it soft and easily mashable.
All done. Now let's grind everything together to make the tikki base.
Adding the rajma and sweet potato, some ginger, some amchur powder for the citrus taste. You can also use lemon juice. You see the texture? This is how it's supposed to be.
Now it's done. Now let's make small burger patty like tikki out of these. Let's apply some oil on our hand so that it doesn't stick.
Roll it and flatten it a bit.
So if you feel it's breaking and it's sticky, then don't get demotivated because we are not using any binding ingredient in this. So it will look like this because it is gluten free. So it's supposed to be like this. Now let's heat the pan.
Add some olive oil and put it on the pan. Now wait until golden brown at either side. After it's done, flip it to make it golden brown on the other side.
So now while the tikkis are being prepared, let's prepare our chaat.
Now let's peel some cucumber.
Let's chop it. Chopping every vegetable with knife is too boring. Let's make it faster. So here we have cute little chopper that we will use. Though this brand has not sponsored us, but if this brand wants to sponsor us, please do it. Okay, now let's assemble the chaat. So we have tikki in our bowl. First we will put some veggies. We have cucumber and some tomatoes. Now the most important ingredient of chaat is curd. So now let's add that. 4 to 5 spoons. Now add the masalas. I'm adding some pepper and salt. So this is pink salt. You can put it as per your taste. And here I'm adding some chaat masala. You can add any other alternative which is available for you. So let's mix it well. And now garnish it with pomegranate.
Quite honestly, I'm not saying it for the video, but this tastes amazing.
These sattvic recipes are perfect for enhancing your yoga practice and maintaining high energy levels throughout the day. Remember, keeping your meals light and easy to digest allow you to channel your energies into your spiritual journey and yogic practices. Being healthy is not always about eating boring food. As long as you are choosing the right ingredients, you're good to go. Being creative with your recipes helps you stay consistent with eating healthy and makes it easy not to crave unhealthy food. So remember this, be creative and stay healthy. Which recipe are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more such content. Until next time, stay healthy, stay energized. Namaste.